Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kortiwada. In this video, we will learn about freeze and isFrozen method of an object in JavaScript. To know more about seal, define property, hasOwnProperty methods in JavaScript, please watch my previous video for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here I have created index.html, index.js, and this index.js file has been embedded in my index.html via script tag. Now whatever I'm writing inside this index.js, that I can see the output inside index.html. So let me create a variable where obj is equal to age colon 10. So here I am writing this object with age property. Now what I want to do is I want to make this object restricted towards only this age property without any change. That means I don't want to add the properties. I don't want to edit or update the existing properties. I don't want to delete any of the property inside this object. So just I want to make it a static and should not change anything inside that object. Then what we can do? I can do one thing, that is there is a method called as freeze. Whenever you are using an freeze method over an object, you cannot change even the existing properties, or you can't even add a new property. You can't even delete the existing properties from an object. Let's see that. Now I have created a freeze method, and inside this freeze I passed this object. So I'm trying to insert a new property, name equal to Sai, and then obj dot age equal to 30. I have updated the value, and also let me console this obj. Now, as per our understanding, it should have a name property and age property, but because of this freeze statement, this object does not change or does not insert any new value inside this object. So let me go here, reload and inspect this. If you inspect, you can go to the console and see here you got an object with age as 10, but I have updated that age property as 30, and also I have inserted a new value called as name, that is Sai. That two values has not been changed anything. And let me try to delete the existing property, like delete obj.age. Let me save this, go back, clear it off and reload. So now age is not changed. So here the age is not deleted. That means freeze method of an object is used to freeze that particular object, and it will not allow you to edit the existing value or a property, and it will not allow you to add any new property. It will not allow you to delete any of the existing property inside that particular object. In the same way, it is applicable for all the types of objects to know whether the object is frozen or not. That means the object is freezed or not. We can have a new property called as isFrozen. isFrozen is used to check whether that object is frozen or not. Let me use console.log of object dot is frozen of obj. Let me save this. This will return a boolean value, true or false. Now it has been freezed, so this should return true. Let me go back, clear it off and reload. If you see here, it is returning true. Now what I'll do is I'll try to comment this statement. That means this object is not frozen. Now this console will return a false. Let me reload. It is returning false. Now let's understand the main difference between seal and the freeze. The seal is a method which is used to avoid the addition or deletion of a property into an object, but you can change the existing properties of that object using a seal method. But freeze is a method where you cannot add, you cannot update, you cannot delete any of the properties inside the object. That is the main difference between seal and the freeze. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.